Hey everyone, in this video we're talking about the Xiaomi 12 Lite. Now this one will be the Lite variant of the Xiaomi 12 series and upgrade to the 11 Lite 5G. Now in terms of the design, on the front we have this large display, the bezels are really thin, and we have this punch hole cutout in the middle for the selfie shooter. And at the bottom we have USB Type-C port, speaker grills and SIM slot. If we talk about the rear panel, we have Xiaomi logo at the bottom and this large camera module. Now this time we will get the Full HD Plus AMOLED display and the size is 6.55 inches. Also we will get 120 Hz of refresh rate, which is really great for this smartphone. Other than that, we also got the under display fingerprint scanner here. So in terms of the display, nothing to complain about. Now we talk about the chipset. This one features the Snapdragon 778G. This one is an octa-core chipset with 6nm process tech, and we have the 2.4 GHz of max clock speed. It also features the Adreno 642L GPU with the clock speed of 490 MHz. In terms of the internals, this one features 6GB and 8GB RAM options with 128GB and 256GB of storage options. We also have the micro SD card slot. Now this time the Xiaomi 12 Lite will feature MIUI 13 out of the box based on the Android 12. If we talk about the camera setup, on the rear panel we have the triple camera setup. The main sensor here will be 108MP sensor, and it is large, as we can see here. Other than that, we have 8MP ultra-wide sensor. We also have the 5MP macro shooter. This camera setup of 108MP main sensor will be interesting to check out. Now in terms of the selfie shooter, inside this punch hole cutout we have 16MP of selfie shooter. If we talk about the battery, here we get 4500 mAh of battery and the charging speed is 67 watts fast charging. Also keep in mind we don't have the headphone jack here. Now if we talk about the colors, we get 3 color options. The first one is this green color, we also get the pink color and the regular black color. In terms of the release, I think Xiaomi is gonna release this phone on July 4th with the Xiaomi 12S series. And in terms of the pricing, I think the Xiaomi 12 Lite will be available for the price of around $280. So yeah guys, this is the Xiaomi 12 Lite. This one will be a really interesting smartphone to check out. It will give us all the great features of the Xiaomi 12 series at low price. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you later.